Psalms 27 verse 14 says, "Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thy hearts." Wait, I say, on the Lord. I don't know what you're waiting on the Lord for. I don't know what you're trusting the Lord for. I know it can be so difficult to wait on the Lord, especially when it seems so long. But this is one thing that I have learned. The waiting period is so long because what God is preparing for you is bigger, better, and more rewarding than you could ever imagine. God knows what you need, and He is preparing that thing for you. So never you despise your waiting period. God is preparing something bigger, better than you could ever ask or imagine. Just be patient. God is coming through for you. God bless you. Shalom.